This is day 7 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. I had a 9-hour flight today and could barely sleep. I realized I had Scratch installed on my tablet, so I ended up coding a game. It's a game where you make jewelry, and there are little mini-games for each step of the jewelry making process. Okay, spoiler alert for today's LeetCode problem. Count of substrings containing every vowel and K consonants too. I actually did count of substrings containing every vowel and K consonants I first, but I realized they're basically the same problem. The second one just has much larger constraints, so it's all about getting the best time complexity, or big O. Here's the solution I ended up using. I couldn't come up with a solution on my own that passed all the test cases, so I had to study someone else's and adapted it. The basic idea is to use a sliding window. We keep track of the vowel and consonant counts. The underscore at least K function finds the number of substrings with at least K consonants. The main function then uses this helper function twice, once with K and once with K plus 1, and subtracts the results to get the exact count. This is a clever way to handle the exactly K requirement. The solution has a time complexity of big O of n, because, in the worst-case scenario, we iterate through the word twice with the sliding window. Like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe for the journey, and comment down below if you have any project ideas you want to see me make. Help me continue making videos by donating at buymeaboba.com, link in description.